Did you know Jesus was hidden in one of Israel's most tragic victories? Jephthah was a brilliant war leader, but he was also an outcast. His own family threw him out because he was born to a prostitute. Yet when enemy armies threatened Israel, the desperate elders came crawling back, begging this rejected son to save them. Jephthah agreed, and his military genius crushed their enemies completely. But in his confidence, he made a deadly promise to God. He would sacrifice whatever came out of his house first to celebrate his victory. He never imagined his beloved daughter would run out dancing with joy. This heartbreaking story points straight to Jesus. Just like Jephthah, Jesus was rejected by his own people. Just like Jephthah, he was called back to save them from impossible odds. But here's the beautiful difference. While Jephthah's beloved child died because of his vow, God's beloved son died because of his love. Jesus became the sacrifice so no other child would have to die. The rejected Savior who gave everything